What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we are going to do the modern classic cocktail, the Business with Pleasure. It comes at us from Zachary Gelnaw-Rubin, who created it at the Lion Bar in New York City in 2016. And if you were assuming that this is a variation of a business, which was made by Sasha Petraske, and then that was a variation of a bee's knees, you'd be correct. So Sasha Petraske made a lime bee's knees and called it the business. And then Zachary did a take on Sasha Petraske's business called the Business with Pleasure. Let's get into it and I'll show you how to do it. First thing we're gonna do is 3/4 an ounce of pineapple juice. Today we're using fresh pineapple juice. 3/4 an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce of honey syrup. 1.5 ounces of gin. Today we're using Beefeater. And we're gonna do a little bit of ice, which I'm using my hand for, even though I got a scoop next to me. Doesn't matter. Lock our tin and shake. Here we are. I'm going to grab our fine strainer and strain. There we have it. As you can see, we got a nice wash line on this, you guys. Zachary Gelnaw-Rubin's Business with Pleasure. Let's take a taste of it. The pineapple adds so much to that. And what's great is that he brought the gin down 1/2 ounce and then added that 1/2 ounce of back to honey syrup, but the honey syrup is very little, so you get a little bit of sweetness, and then you got sweetness from the pineapple, but you really taste that tartness of the lime, and it's a great drink. I knew it was a great drink, and then you guys are gonna make it at home, and you guys are gonna know it's a great drink. So here you go, Business with Pleasure.